Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
What happened to Rochelle Adonis? Rochelle Adonis, the barely Canadian judge from New Zealand, has been replaced by Kyla Kennelly. As the former owner of Toronto's Madeline's Bake Shop, RIP, and the owner of a wholesale bakery, Kyla brings real-world knowledge to the show. She has TV experience but alas, is now living in London, England. What happens to all the food on the Great Canadian Baking Show? According to a Food Network rep, all ingredients that can be saved until the next episode's filming are saved, and the remaining 1,000 cupcakes are given to charitable organizations or eaten by hard-working cast and crew. Who is the male host on the Great Canadian Baking Show? Alan Shane Lewis. Alan Shane Lewis is a comedian, actor and writer based in Toronto, Canada, and also the co-host of CBC's The Great Canadian Baking Show, for seasons 4 and 5. From his early beginnings as a short filmmaker, he has had a constant passion for writing and creating comedy in all its forms. Who wins Canadian Bake Off? Vincent Chan. After 8 weeks of show-stopping bakes, Vincent Chan, 55, a graphic designer from Toronto, Ontario, won the Great Canadian Baking Show title and the ceremonial cake plate in tonight's finale episode. What is the prize for winning the Great Canadian Baking Show? The winning prize is just flowers and a cake stand. Previous Bake Off contestant Martha Collison, who reached the quarterfinals in the 2014 series, told Barrel House, "Everyone is so surprised and thinks there must be some secret cash, but all we really get is a bunch of flowers and a cake stand." Who won Great Canadian Baking Show Season 3? Natalia Shevchenko. French-born Canadian chef and pastry expert Bruno Feldesson returned as judge for a third season. The winner of the season was Natalia Shevchenko, with Colin Asuncion and Jody Robson as runners-up. Who won the Great Canadian Baking Show Season 2? Andrei Godoroja. After 8 weeks of competition, Andrei Godoroja was crowned the winner with Sachin Seth and Megan Stazowicz as runners-up. This was also the last season for hosts Dan Levy and Julia Chan, as well as judge Rochelle Adonis. Where does Rochelle Adonis live? Joining the judging panel alongside French baking maestro Bruno Feldesson as Rochelle Adonis, who was born in Canada, moved to Australia as a child and has traveled the world working as a pastry chef. She's since returned down under, where she now runs her eponymous pastry brand.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.